Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about SpyBot Ranger indicator for NinjaTrader 8. This indicator actually produces quite a bit of money and is very simple to operate. Let's take a look at the chart. This is YM. Some of you trade the Dow, and it actually works really well. The Dow usually runs kind of with Russell, RTY. They usually run together. I usually have an NQ chart up here, an ES, YM, and RTY, and I trade all four of them. So they work really well. So in the YM today, of course, the Ranger indicator, we trade yellow to red. That is our main strategy. When it comes down and then comes up, we usually go ahead and put our stop up there, hoping that it will play around a little bit and then drop. So in this one, we put our stop right at the top of the zone, and that's $120. So there's your $120 profit. And this one, you're actually going to enter short under the one tick under the yellow, and you're going to take it to the red. So as long as it keeps on going, you're going to keep on going. Now, if it went to pull back like this, you would have your stop right here, and then you would get stopped out. But in this case, $1,330. That is a gross profit. If you traded just this strategy only, gross profit $1,450, one contract of $500. So it's almost 300%. Really good money. There's some other trades here that you could have entered. A lot of times when this pulls back and comes up, and then when it pulls back again, you will make a higher low since it's higher than this one. So it gives you some divergence. So you have divergence right here. So you go ahead and enter a trade once it gets above the red line. You don't trade it below. You can, but I would not advise it. When it gets above the red line, you enter a trade, you go long. So you would enter here, put your stop just down below it, and let it go. In this case, you would have made money. The way I would have traded this is I would have tried to let it go, and then I'd have my stop on the pullback right there. This is all free money. So you're not trying to get your $1,000 a day goal. You've already met it over here with $1,450. So this is just extra money. So you're okay to let go of a little bit of profit as long as you don't lose money. So when that pulls back, you go up, and then whenever it goes on up and pulls back again, your stop would be right there. So that's your stop right below that one, and you would have actually gotten taken out right on this candle here. So that's $475 that you would have you could have made at that point, just following this strategy. You look at your divergence. Now this over here is more about charting and looking at your levels. This over here is just yellow to red. That's all you're looking for, yellow to red. So we went ahead and made money there. Now when this come down and then come up and then went to pull back down, we could actually enter a trade. It actually would probably be about right here. And this is free money again, guys. This is not a trade that you need for your money. Now you're up $1,450 plus the $475. So what is that? $18, $19, $25 that you're up. Now you can take this trade here. This brought it right back down to the red line again. That is where we trade to. We don't trade below. We trade to the red line. You can trade below, and you could have actually made more money right here. But we're looking to just get to the red line. That's another $415. So now you're roughly $2,200 or so for the day on a $500 contract. Very, very simple. And then at the end of the day, this starts coming through, so you just stay out of it. When you start seeing the chop, best just to get out and stay out. But when you're seeing the moves, then it's okay to trade. But when we come down and then we kind of come down a little bit more, now we're at that support here. So being at that support makes it kind of hard to trade right here. So you're hitting this one, you've got this one, this is all support here. So at this point, it's better off just to kind of stay out of it. You're toward the end of the day anyway. Take your several $1,000s and just keep it. That's the best way to do it. So I'm going to delete these out of here. And again, the way we trade this is from yellow to red. That is what we're looking for. And just about every day, it will come down and hit the red. Almost every day. If it doesn't, what you do is when you enter here and you start coming down, you blow through that, you go ahead and put your stop right up here. And then when it comes on down, then you go ahead and move your stop to here. When it blows through this one, you put your stop down to here. Once it comes through, you put your stop up there, and then you let it come on down. Our profit target is here. When we start getting close to that, what do? We talk about this every day. We go ahead and chase the candles. So we come down here, we put our stop there, we put our stop there, we put our stop there. So we're chasing this candle down, and then when we hit the target, then we're done. So if you wanted to, you could chase, say, this one over here. We'll do that. So if you were, because this is all free money over here, so you could actually chase it down, put it right there, or you could just leave it up here, and then when you get that pullback and it starts coming down, you can pull it right down to that, and then you just kind of let it keep on going. Whenever it comes down, you got a little pullback here, then you go ahead and pull it down to here. So that's a little bit more money that you would get, but when we hit this zone and we bounced out, you're really probably better off to play to the zone, because that's where it was over here. And these zones will be on the indicator. They're going to be added tomorrow, so you can choose to turn them on or off. They're automatically figured. You don't have to know how to draw zones or anything. The zones will be automatically here, and they will go from up here and down here. They go both ways. So whenever you're trading, you will know where your zones are. A lot of people have trouble making those zones, and I took all the problems out of it and put it right here to where you can just easily do it. You're looking for yellow to red. Having questions, let me know. We do have a website that has this on special right now. So on this one, let me pull it over here so you can see. You come right down here, and there is a 20% coupon right there. As long as it's on this page, it'll work through Wednesday, tomorrow, Wednesday, December 1st, 2021. If the coupon works, then you did great. If it doesn't, you're past your deadline. Just click on this right here, and it will take you to it. There's also a training video here. It goes in a little more detail about how it works and how I use it. So let me know what you think. There is a contact page on there. I get all the emails, and I answer all the emails personally. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. If you need to talk to me, put your number in there. I can give you a call back and talk to you as well. A very good indicator. It is the best one on my website, in my opinion. It does a great job. So you guys have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.